Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the limited Wi-Fi access problem in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with going to the control panel option. So please go with your Windows search tab and then there type control. You will get under best match the control panel option, so please make a click on that to open. And then if you're not seeing this kind of window, all you need to do is just to go to this view by options and then click on the large icons. And then once you're in here, please proceed with the power options there and then click on that. So here you can choose or customize a power plan. You can either select balance, Acer, ultimate performance, or if you also have high performance options, please do select it. So since my device is already working fine with this Acer option here, I'll just leave that. And then I'll just click on this change plan settings. Click on the change advanced power settings. And you will get this kind of window here. All you need to do is just to click or look for the any option that is related with network or Wi-Fi. So please select it, and then all you need to do is just to set it to you can set it to maximum. So since I don't have that option in here, the option with related with management of the network. So all you need to do again with that option is just to select the maximum option there, and then once you're done with this one, just please click on apply and then click on OK. And then once you're done with this procedure or method, all you need to do is just to make a quick restart with your device and see if the problem is already fixed after the restart. And if it's still not fixed, then we will be going to the device manager option. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go to this device manager option here. And once you're in here, all you need to do is just to go to the network adapters. So please proceed with network adapters option and then select the wireless option there. Please make a right click, click on the properties, and you will get this kind of window. All you need to do is just to go to the power management tab. Since I don't have that, then just go ahead with your device if you're seeing that option, power management tab, and then just please make sure that you uncheck or disable the allow option. You will be seeing under power management tab an allow option, so please disable it or uncheck it. And then after unchecking it, just close this window here and then make a right click on the same driver, click on the update driver here, and then click on the first option, search automatically for drivers, and then click on the back arrow key and just click on the cancel or close this one. After the updating of the driver, just close this window, make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed. If it's still not fixed, then we can also do the last method, which is to go to the command prompt window. So let me just type here in the Windows search tab CMD, and we will get this command prompt option here under best match. So please go with the right section, click on run as an administrator option. Please click on yes to proceed, and you will get this black window here. All you need to do is just to type NETSH space INT space IP space reset. Again, it's NETSH space INT space IP space reset. Now once done typing, just please click on enter, and it will ask you to restart the computer to complete this action. So just type exit, and you will now exit this window, make a quick restart with your device, and see if the problem is already fixed after the restart. And that's it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again in the next one. Bye bye.